Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand, ma'am, but I'm not fluent to speak English.
As long as you can communicate with your employer, we don't have any problem. Okay? But if you really don't know how to communicate, better stay in the Philippines. Okay? Because no point that you don't know how to communicate with the employer, later problem also.
Uh,
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. From Saudi, I have finished 2 years contract.
Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I heard Malaysia is the safe country for the domestic helpers.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Sally Magdahong. I am 38 years old. I live in Caramoran, Catanduanes, Philippines. I have one child. It's a boy, and he is 17 years old now.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single mother or single with live-in partner? Sorry?
I am single mother.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on March 28, 1987.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight is 70 and my height is 5'2".
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm graduated at high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your kid once you come to work here in Malaysia?
She she live in my own house because when I work in Saudi Arabia, I ano yung ginagawan, ma'am?
Who look for her or who look for him?
Ah, my some other family, ma'am.
So, is she can handle
My own,
that. She can handle herself without somebody
yes,
else looking for
she
her.
can take care of her own self, ma'am.
Okay. So no problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia.
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
No problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia.
No problem, ma'am.
Okay. So according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Yes, ma'am.
Way back 2023 to 2025, did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. 2 years contract.
Okay. So what is your job responsibilities there?
I my responsibility is to take care of 4 children. I give their breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I clean her room, 4 rooms and 4 comfort rooms. Then I wash their clothes and ironing their uniform.
Okay. How many children again? Four.
Yeah, no, ma'am. My employer have 8 children. All in all, they have 10 members of the family.
So how old are those children that you take care?
One is 20 years old, 18 years old, 16 and 12 years old.
20, 18, 16, and 12. So you assist taking care of this teenager.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why you didn't continue working with your employer? Of course, you finish your contract.
I want to near in the Philippines, ma'am, so that I go with Malaysia because time is same in
Same.
Saudi Arabia.
Okay. So being an OFW is not new for you already, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not an easy job. It is a very, very tough job, okay? So any uncertain,
Ma'am.
so you need to get ready yourself. You need to be multitasking and you need to be flexible because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East also. I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Employer here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Okay? Houses here is quite big also. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Can you take your elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
So as I have mentioned, you are going to sign a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home, you want to terminate your contract because there is a consequences once you terminate your contract and you already know that you need to compensate it. Nobody force you to come to work here in Malaysia, okay? Any
Yes,
uncertain
ma'am.
situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Yeah? Usage of mobile
Yes.
and phone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish
Okay,
your
ma'am.
job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
If you agree, please work properly. Don't give us problem. If you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
I agree.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
I can call my son here in the Philippines.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your child future and you wanted to give him a better future at the same time, okay? So in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the
Yes.
rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Thank you,
connected through
ma'am.
WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you. They conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank you,
much and have
ma'am.
a good day.